Steve Jobs once said, "During the first 30 years of your life, you shape your habits, and in the next 30 years, your habits shape you." This profound thought highlights the importance of developing positive routines early in life. Several years ago, a man, let's call him 13, went through a devastating loss, the death of his mother. At the time, 13 was battling drug addiction, and the guilt of his situation weighed heavily on him. He felt ashamed that his mother, who worked tirelessly to raise him to be a good human, witnessed him in a state of addiction before her passing. Her absence deeply affected him, and he made a vow to never use drugs again. He set a mission for himself. Whenever his mother looked down from above, she would see him as a positive force, bringing meaningful change to the world and improving people's lives. Since then, Thurden has transformed into a successful real estate investor, entrepreneur, and best-selling author. Thurden's story proves that success isn't reserved for a select few. He believes anyone can achieve success if they follow certain principles. His journey isn't about adopting generic habits like waking up early or exercising, though those might help. Instead, Thurden's focus lies in developing the mindset of successful individuals and thinking like them. One cornerstone of his approach is a strong why. For Thurden, his mother's memory and her wish for him to become a better person became his driving force. For others, the why might stem from their dreams or passions, but it's crucial to identify it clearly. Thurden suggests using the 7 levels deep why technique, asking yourself why 7 times about your goals until you uncover the emotional and powerful reason driving you forward. He also shares another profound insight about human nature. Within all of us, there are 2 competing forces, the hero and the villain. The villain represents negativity, bad habits, and fear, while the hero symbolizes ambition, positivity, and the belief that we can achieve greatness. Thurden emphasizes feeding your hero while starving your villain. By consuming positive content and avoiding negative influences, like social media toxicity or sensationalized news, you empower your hero. Thurden even advises a 30-day detox from negative media to give yourself the mental space for growth. Another key to success, according to Thurden, is focusing on your strengths rather than dwelling on your weaknesses. Many people waste energy trying to fix their flaws, but the truly successful focus on what they excel at and use that to achieve greatness. Thurden teaches that successful people always give their best effort, even in small tasks. Treat every job as if your life depends on it, and this mindset will prepare you for larger challenges. Confidence also plays a crucial role. Successful individuals genuinely believe in themselves, and their self-assurance inspires others. Building confidence requires honesty, commitment, and proving your capability through consistent action. Lastly, happiness is fundamental to success. It's not the pursuit of wealth or status that brings joy, but rather cultivating happiness in everything you do. When you're happy and engaged, success follows naturally. As Thurden says, the key lies in choosing activities that bring genuine fulfillment without any later regrets. If a task feels boring, like exercising or managing tedious work, it often turns into something enjoyable once you start noticing the benefits. Regular exercise, for instance, leads to physical changes that naturally uplift your mood. The key is to view everything from a return on investment (ROI) perspective. Whether it's your time, money, or energy, every investment should yield a worthwhile return. To identify areas of focus, Thurden suggests a unique activity. Draw a series of concentric circles on a piece of paper. Write your best skills or strengths in the center. In the middle ring, list activities you're good at, but not exceptional. In the outermost ring, note tasks that yield minimal returns or feel like a waste of time. Your goal should be to shift your daily activities towards the central circle, focusing on the things you excel at and that bring you maximum joy and results. Successful people, whether CEOs or top performers in any field, understand the value of time. They never waste it on distractions or unimportant tasks. Instead, they design their schedules to maximize productivity and stay focused on their most critical goals. Time management is essential. Create a system that works for you and aligns with your natural rhythm. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, your system should support your peak productivity hours. Social circles also play a major role. People in our lives can be categorized as drainers or chargers. Drainers sap our energy, waste our time, and undermine our confidence, while chargers inspire us, motivate us, and bring out the best in us. Choose to spend time with chargers who uplift and guide you in the right direction, and avoid giving your energy to people or situations that pull you down. Don't be accessible at all times. In today's world of constant notifications and messages, it's easy to feel perpetually distracted. Your phone isn't just a tool, it's also a source of interruptions that can prevent you from achieving your goals. Limit your availability and focus on what truly matters. Lastly, the author emphasizes the importance of transforming yourself into a successful person from within. It's not just about hard work, but also about developing key qualities like communication, time management, and a positive personality. Once you embody these traits, success becomes inevitable, even if resources are limited at first. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with future content. Thank you for watching.